This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Amazon Connect. First, navigate to the AWS Management Console and search for Amazon Connect. Click Add an Instance to begin the setup process. You'll need to choose an instance alias, which will be part of your contact center URL. Select your data storage options, typically Amazon S3 for recordings and CloudWatch for logs. This initial setup takes only a few minutes, providing a fully functional cloud contact center ready for configuration. Next, let's craft engaging contact flows. In the Amazon Connect console, go to Routing and then Contact Flows. Use the intuitive drag-and-drop editor to build your customer journey. Start with a play prompt block to greet callers, then use Get Customer Input to gather information. You can easily transfer calls to specific queues or agents using the Transfer to Queue block, creating a seamless experience for every caller. Now, manage your team and direct calls efficiently. Under Users, select User Management to add new agents and assign them security profiles, like Agent or Administrator. Then, create routing profiles to define which queues agents can handle and their capacity. For example, an agent might handle up to 5 concurrent chat contacts. Set up queues under Routing to hold incoming contacts until an agent is available, ensuring smooth call distribution. Finally, monitor and optimize your contact center's performance. The Metrics and Quality section provides real-time dashboards to view agent status, queue wait times, and service level agreements. Access historical reports to analyze trends over days, weeks, or months, helping you identify peak call times or agent training needs. Utilize call recordings and contact trace records for quality assurance and to troubleshoot any customer experience issues, continuously improving your service.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.